Hello PTE aspirants. So if you're also one of those students who are struggling to nail the fluency in the speaking module of PTE, then watch this video till the end because it's going to be pretty helpful for you. Now, if you don't know what exactly you're doing wrong, you don't have the right guidance, or maybe after multiple attempts also you're not able to get your fluency correct, then first of all and thirdly check whatever points I would be stating ahead in the video, whether you are committing the same mistakes or not. And that way, at least you would have a certain idea which direction you should really opt for. What you need to check is your pace. Your pace is your speed. In what speed are you really speaking? Is it too fast or is it too slow? You need to maintain a normal pace. To try to check that. Second thing you need to check is the stress. Are you stressing too much on the words, which is actually affecting your pronunciation as well as your fluency? Third thing to check is if you're speaking too loudly. If you're literally shouting or yelling, this is definitely not going to help you build your fluency. And this is one mistake which many times students do because that's what they're told to. Many times what students do is they try to fake an accent. So the problem basically happens is if there's a word which you're not able to pronounce properly, and you will definitely end up fumbling over there because you are not able to pronounce it in the same accent. So this is also where your fluency lacks. So do not try to add the fake accent and rather try to speak as naturally as possible. Everyone has their own style of speaking, so do maintain that. Fourth thing that you need to do is actually check your intonation. You need to see if you're adding appropriate pauses or not. Now, if you don't know what are the appropriate pauses, then you definitely need to enroll in our course, and I can assure you, you'll be able to nail your fluency or in fact your speaking module in an instant. For that, you can contact on the given details below. Ciao.